Hi, this is Scoggett, and we got some storm clouds rolling into Tornado Alley, and it's already starting to get dark, so I'm not going to be able to go out there and chase them. But just wanted to kind of pan around and show you what kind of weather we're having. But there's some storms rolling into Tornado Alley. So I'll go ahead and pan around here. Get out the way. See if I can catch some of it. There's some of the clouds right there. Like I say, it's starting to get dark. So I'm going to film just a little bit of this. But they're starting to roll in. That's one of kind of just right above me. I'll come back over here. Saw some lightning over here. And I think the wind noise is going to get up also. We have a severe thunderstorm watch. There's not a warning yet. Oh yes, it's rolling in right there. You see that lightning. Just want to make a short video on these clouds and what they're doing. We're getting lightning over in that area right there. That's where it's coming from the west, and it's headed east. Kind of pan around this way. Yeah, these clouds are looking kind of mean. Not too bad though. I might take this off this. I got this on a tripod. Maybe it'd be better if I just took the camera off and handheld it. Instead of panning around. See if I can get it off of here. Live at 5 maybe. Oh, this might be a little better, because I can pan a little better. I know it's going to be wind noise, but there's one right above me. Just wish it wasn't getting dark, and like I say, it's starting to get dark out here, but I wanted to catch this, make a little short video on these storm clouds. come back over this way. That wind is kind of kicking up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's moving in. You see that lightning there at the edge of my house there. Now we got some lightning going on over here. Yeah, that one's rolling in, I can tell. Because of the lightning. The flashes are getting closer and closer. It's starting to get really dark out here, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and maybe I can catch another lightning flash. There we go. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and thought I'd just go ahead and show you what kind of weather we're having down here in Tornado Alley. So it's going to have what looks like some thunderstorms. This is Goggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all continue to stay safe and take care. Well, if I can turn it off. Can't find the button. Still trying to get used to this camera.